South Africa, a country that has been blessed with majestic beauty and a vast array of natural resources. However, this country has been classified as one of the 30 driest countries in the world. It is therefore important that the country protects and maintains its key water source areas for the sake of water security and ecological functioning. The Healthy Catchment Alliance is a group of civil organizations that have come together to accomplish this very goal. The Healthy Catchment Alliance has implemented an invasive plant clearing project along the riparian areas of the Chume River in collaboration with the Department of Environmental Affairs Working for Water program. Management of rangelands plays a critical role in maintaining the health of the catchment. Conservation South Africa has negotiated conservation agreements with local livestock owners to participate in rotational grazing practices. The Biodiversity Stewardship Program is an integrated program that aims to consolidate biodiversity priorities throughout the region. Here, landowners that participate in the program are provided with land management support and guidance. A group of environmental enthusiasts, also known as eco-rangers, have been trained and subsequently employed by the Endangered Wildlife Trust to assist with the stewardship program. "30 beekeepers have been trained and provided with the necessary startup equipment as an incentive to promote good environmental management practices in their areas. The Healthy Catchment Alliance is committed to supporting these emerging bee farmers to promote healthy ecosystems and catalyze green economies in the rural Eastern Cape. Schools have adopted nearby rivers and streams in the Umzimvubu and Amatola catchments to test the health of these rivers by using freshwater monitoring tools such as mini-SAS. The Healthy Catchment Alliance in these 3 key water source areas has been a success. However, there are still plenty of lessons to be learned. The protection of critical ecosystems is an ongoing endeavor that requires civil organizations, government, and society to each play a role in the protection of key areas for the benefit of all.